that we love nothing more than a ridiculously embarrassing parent.
Let's find out whether we've got any in our audience today. OK, embarrassing parents, embarrassing parents. I'm going to come and find you. Hi, Jennifer. How are you doing? You all right?
Yeah.
Now, you've got an embarrassing parent, haven't you?
Yeah.
Who might that be?
My mum.
Hi, your mum.
Hello.
Are you embarrassing?
Yeah.
She admits it. She admits it. Jennifer, tell us, what is it that your mum does that's so embarrassing?
She starts changing words to the song.
Oh, you're not a lyrical changer, are you?
I love it.
Do you?
I love it.
Oh, no, why do you do this?
Drive the children mad.
What kind of things do you change? What do you do? Give us an example.
Well, shall I sing one?
Yeah, sing one.
Okay. I love sausage rolls. Put them in the oven and they come out tasty.
Do you know what, Mum? Do you know what? I can't actually argue with you there, because I love sausage rolls as well. Jennifer, you look a bit embarrassed.
Yeah.
Does she do it in front of your friends and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I personally enjoyed it, but it is pretty embarrassing. Sorry about that, Jennifer. Mark, beat that.
Better than the actual lyrics. That's brilliant. How did you manage that? OK, I am actually going to talk to... you, Daisy. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Good. Now, I hear that your dad does something rather embarrassing. Is that right? What does he do?
He does silly impressions and he also wears nail varnish.
I knew about the silly impressions, but I didn't know about the nail varnish. OK, is this your dad here? What's your name, mate?
Rich.
Rich. Now, you haven't got nail varnish on today, which is... Oh, you have, actually. Look at that! That's lovely. So shiny. But I'm talking about your impressions. What impressions do you like doing?
Wicked Witch from Wizard of Oz.
Oh, come on, we've got to hear that, haven't we?
Yeah!
OK.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
I'm a bit scared about that. That's good. Anything else? What else we got? What else we got?
Pantomime down.
Go on. Absolutely fabulous! Now, Daisy, was that pretty embarrassing?
Funny, but quite embarrassing.
Yeah, I feel your pain. Sam, can you do any better than that, mate?
I thought that was absolutely fabulous! I am now going to come and speak to... you, Mark! How you doing, mate? You all right?
I'm all right, yeah.
Now, guys, you may not know this, but Mark and I, we recently became dads. Both of us. Yeah. So, it's only a matter of time before both Mark and I become embarrassing parents, and we could be sat in this audience being talked to by a pair of buffoons like us. So I reckon you're going to be a bit of an embarrassing dad to your daughter.
No. Cool.
I reckon, no, you're definitely not cool, mate. I've been working with you for 11 years, and I'm going to prove it right now, because I reckon your dad dancing is going to be really embarrassing. Let's hit some music and see the dad dancing. It's too embarrassing. You are an embarrassing dad, it's official, so you know what that means, don't you?
Oh, no, I'm playing dad pinball.
You are playing dad pinball.
Oh, you're joking!
Yeah, Mark, go and get yourself ready. Round of applause for Mark, everyone.